So hello, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders, Rajajinagar. So one of our student got placed in so and so company, and he is going to share his experience. Yes.
I myself, Shambhuling Ritti. I joined in the month of March. My first class was started for Python. Cases of took my Python classes. The total experience was really good. After completion of Python, I joined for Selenium automation testing. Lakshmi Prasad sir took the classes and they teach really well. And total experience of PySpiders was really good. By this, I joined for the company. And from the Monday, September to 2, I'm joining for the company.
So which are all the activities helped to crack interviews?
Presentation.
Yes.
Daily we need to do presentation. By that our confidence will be built. There will be made some groups, and then we will do the presentation. So it will be helpful for me while I am presenting each and every concept, and it will be remembering for me everything.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.